Hey friends, welcome back to Manny Maker. So you just got your hands on the new Cricut machine. Well, that's awesome. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the complete setup process for both the Cricut Maker series and the Explore series. So no matter which one you have, I've got you covered. And yes, if you run into any issues or just want some expert help along the way, feel free to call the support numbers displayed on the screens right now. Okay, let's get your Cricut machine up and running. Remove your Cricut Maker from its box and take out all the packaging materials. Verify that all included accessories are present. Position your Cricut on a level, sturdy surface close to power outlet and your computer. Insert the power cord into the port on the back of your machine. Then, plug it into a wall outlet. Open your web browser and navigate to design.cricut.com/setup to download Cricut's design space. Follow the prompts displayed on the screen to install the software onto your computer. Launch Cricut Design Space after installation and select Product Setup. Your browser will redirect you to Cricut ID registration page. Complete the required information and click on Create Cricut ID. After signing in successfully, a browser notification will appear at the top of the window. Click on Open to start the Cricut application. Select the first option for machine setup and click Continue. Select your specific machine model and click Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions, clicking the right arrow to advance through each prompt. Choose your preferred connection method and click on Continue. Click Continue one more time. Locate the USB cable that came with your machine. Connect one end of the USB cable to the port on the back of your Cricut and insert the other end into your computer. Lift the lid of your machine and then remove any internal packaging materials, foam and protective tape. Press the power button to turn on your machine. Return to your computer and complete the remaining setup steps as redirected on the screen. If you're finding this guide helpful, take a moment to subscribe to our channel for our Cricut tutorials and crafting tips. Unbox your Cricut Explore Air 2 and remove all the packaging materials. Make sure you have all the accessories included in your machine. Place your Cricut on a flat, stable surface near the power outlet and your computer. Plug the power cord into the back of your machine and connect it to a power outlet. Now, we'll download the Cricut Design Space. For this, you need to open your browser and visit design.cricut.com/setup. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to download the software on your computer. Once installed, open the Cricut Design Space and click on Product Setup. You'll now be taken to Cricut ID creation page on your browser. Just fill out the necessary details and click on the Create Cricut ID button. Once you've got successfully signed in, you'll see a pop-up on the top of your browser. Just click on Open to launch the Cricut app. Now, select the first option to set up your Cricut machine and click on the Continue button. Choose your machine and hit the Continue button. You'll see some on-screen prompts to follow. Just click on the right arrow button to proceed. Here, select the connection type and click on the Continue button. Again, hit the Continue button. Then, grab the USB cable you received along with the machine. Now, connect one end of the USB cable to the back of your Cricut machine and plug the other one to the end of the laptop. Press the open button located on the left side of your machine to open its lid and remove all packaging and tape present over there. Then you need to press the power button. After that, return to your computer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.